Welcome back to vDiscovery Product Showcase, a series where we show off different tools, products, or workflows that we have created to help our clients with their document review needs. Today, we're going to look at PDF Manager, or it's also known as a Trial Prep Manager. We unfortunately have two names for it internally, but that doesn't matter because it is a really cool application that helps our clients solve their searchable PDFs need. What searchable PDF need, you may ask? In Relativity, you can export searchable PDFs. However, when you do, the searchable PDFs get generated as you export them. So the OCR has to run on the server, and you sit there waiting for the spinning circle for the OCR to complete and for PDFs to get merged. The way we solve that problem is we pre-create PDFs for documents that you know you're going to need in the future, and we save them in a searchable PDF format in a special document object. Or if you need to save them and share them with your team, you can click on the button and those PDFs will be merged together, download it to your computer, and you'll have searchable PDFs ready to go. Let me take you to a computer and show you how this works. Here I have saved search with about 100 documents that I've produced. And what I also did is, in addition to just running production and exporting, I also converted these documents to searchable PDFs. Now, those searchable PDFs have been saved in this PDF Store tab. So if you go here, you could see same production numbers and links to our original documents. And here we know what production volume was used, whether this was a placeholder or not. And what we can do is click on the document and see that there is a searchable PDF that is associated with that document. We can click on it and we can see that it is searchable, it has Bates number. So this is a final version of the document that we've produced. However, having multiple documents just saved one at a time is not very helpful. And what you need to do is take lots of documents and export them out and save them to your computer. So let's go back to the Documents panel and select number of these documents. So I'm just going to click and select a few over here, just as an example. And let's say I need to save them and share them with a coworker. I can click here and click on Export to PDF Native. And this will tell us how would you like to name this. And so I'm going to call this Docs for Jim. And now we can use production identifier. This is the field that's going to link our PDF store with our documents table. Do we want PDFs? Yes. Do we want natives? So we can include natives for everything, like I'm going to do here, or we can include natives only for documents that were produced as placeholders. And then I can choose how I want to name my files. In this case, I'm going to name it by backprod. You can use any field in a documents table as long as the values in it are unique, because we can't have duplicate file names in the folder or in the zip file. Now I'm going to click OK. And now these documents have been added to PDF Manager to pickup window. From here, you can do a few things. You can send a link to this pickup item to your coworker, and they'll be able to download a zip file that's associated right here. Or if you want to use these documents, you can download them yourself, and then you can open the zip file, and you see that the searchable PDFs are saved here, and the native files are saved here. And they're named exactly how we specified for the export. Now we can go back to the documents and we can run more exports, and we can save them all here in the pickup window, so they're sitting and waiting for whoever needs to work with these documents. So we can assign different documents to different binders, or maybe assign them by people's names if different people need to work with these documents. Now, one thing we do is, if you have a lot of documents in the pickup window, that you occasionally go and clean up and delete unused documents so that they don't take up any space in the server. And there you have it. That's the searchable PDF solution vDiscovery has built in-house to help clients with their searchable PDFs problem. If you have any questions about this tool, you can contact vDiscovery. If you want to give it a try, same, contact vDiscovery and we'll be happy to do more in-depth demo, or perhaps set up a workspace where you can play with PDF Manager yourself. As usual, don't forget to follow vDiscovery on social media networks listed on your screen, and for previous videos, check us out on YouTube. Thanks for watching.